Hello everybody, Dr. Perez here once more. If you are dealing with ongoing back pain, neck tension, or headaches, especially after a car accident, you've probably reached for some painkillers at some point just to get through the day. And while most medications might numb the pain temporarily, they don't fix what's causing it. Plus, let's be real, relying on pills long-term can come with unwanted side effects, even the risk of addiction. The good news is that there's a safer, more effective option, chiropractic care. And chiropractic care doesn't just mask the symptoms, it targets the root cause of your problem. By gently realigning your spine and restoring proper nerve function, we help your body heal naturally from the inside out. No drugs, no risky side effects, just real lasting relief. So if you're tired of the cycle of pain and pills, it's time to try something different. For more information, click the link in our bio, give us a call, or visit synergyooviedo.com to book your appointment today. If you know someone who needs to hear this, tag them below and share to help them get informed.